Hey guys, it's Wes, not your normal miner here. Today got another fun one for you. Today we have, that's right, hashtag Crypto Swag Friday. I know this is your guys' favorite episode of the week. It's mine too. This is where I get to show off some crypto swag from around the community. You guys know I'm a big proponent, big fan of the community, and as you can see, we love our crypto swag. We love wearing it out here at the GPU Mining Farm, and we love telling you guys where we can get it. So a couple things today. We do have our BC for Brandon Coin, the Nice Hack shirt. As always, guys, in the description down below, we'll have links so you guys can pick up this crypto swag. Also, another thing we're going to start doing with hashtag Crypto Swag Friday. We'll talk with you guys about that a little bit more. We also have on our noggin, keeping our dome nice and good. We've got the Red Panda Mining snapback hat, and that is from Doge Lord Apparel. So, let's get into this episode of hashtag Crypto Swag Friday.
Hey guys, it's Wes, not your normal miner. Thanks for stopping in. Let's go for a ride.
But what we need you guys to do first of all is retweet this with hashtag Crypto Swag Friday, comment down below with hashtag Crypto Swag Friday, and let us know if you're a content creator, your favorite crypto swag. Let us know where we can get it, A, and then B, talk with us about your favorite crypto swag, where you guys get it, and everything else as well. But this is hashtag Crypto Swag Friday, so you need to retweet this and comment down below so we can keep this going. Another thing I wanted to talk with you guys about is with hashtag Crypto Swag Friday, we are going to start doing a giveaway, so make sure you guys follow up with some of our future episodes of hashtag Crypto Swag Friday. So we've got the Brandon Coin t-shirt here from Nice Hack. You can see this one here over at teespring.com. There's also a couple other things here you can get from Brandon Coin. Big shout out to the Brandon Coin mods, Brandon Coin, Done12Many2, Lightbulb, the Nerd, Walter, all you guys over there. What's up? Big shout out to the guys over in Discord. But I love this Brandon Coin, the Nice Hack shirt. We'll show this to you guys here in a little bit. We've also got over at Doge Lord Apparel, we got the Red Panda Mining snapback. All sorts of different color combos here. It's pretty cool. These lids are solid. They are very well built. And you can see these over on Doge Lord Apparel. Like we said, in the description down below, we'll have links to all this stuff. Also, we need you guys in the community to help start sending us some ideas. We're very excited to be working with Doge Lord on our own apparel line. That's right, the crypto and apparel line. It's a little ways down the road, but we are working on that, so we will need some help from you, the community. But let's go ahead and show this stuff off a little bit more. Here you can see, once again, the Brandon Coin Nice Hack shirt. We'll do a little flexing here for you. Love this shirt. Can't wait to get another piece of swag from Brandon Coin. And once again, here's that snapback that you see from Red Panda Mining. What's up to you guys? As always, huge shout out to you guys. But wrapping things up with hashtag Crypto Swag Friday. Thank you guys for checking this out. Please retweet this with hashtag Crypto Swag Friday. Please comment down below. Let me know where I can get your favorite hashtag crypto swag. Red Panda Mining gear over at Doge Lord Apparel. You can see that snapback one more time. And don't forget to check out Brandon Coin Store. Get that Nice Hack. Huge shout out to you guys, the community. Thank you guys for having us in your home. My name's Wes. I'm not your normal miner. And this has been hashtag Crypto Swag Friday. Thanks, guys.